Hi everyone, Angus Pryor here. Look, have I got something special for you here today? In a minute, I'm going to show you an interview with Ty Lopez. Now, if you haven't heard of Ty Lopez, I want you to understand he is literally a world authority when it comes to social media. To give you an idea, one of his videos here in my garage has had 69 million views. 69 million. Do you think he knows a thing or two about social media with a result like that? Forbes magazine named him as one of the top 10 tech and business influencers on the planet. So when I tell you he knows something about this space, you can rest assured that he does. In this interview, I asked him specifically about stuff to do with dentistry. Take a close look at this and you might need to take notes. Hey everyone, Angus Pryor here, practice growth specialist and #1 Amazon best-selling author, and today have I got a treat for you. We've got the social media master. You've been called many things, Ty, but I've just dubbed that Ty Lopez.
I like
Welcome.
That. Thank you.
Now look, it occurs to me in the space that I'm in, which is mainly with dentists, that it's something that dentists use a bit of social media, but frankly, not well, right? What would you say to these people? If there was one thing they could do.
I would say, especially if you're in any kind of cosmetic area, to use your social media to showcase a ton of before and after. But also, there's something called the 3 T's. And a great way to do marketing is using the 3 T's. So it's teach, tailor, and take control. So the first one, teach. If you're a medical professional, you already got a lot of authority.
Yeah.
People already trust you. So teach people. Teach them about, whatever cosmetic surgery, how it's done, why it needs to be done. And don't be afraid to give some actual solid content away. Then tailor it and say, look, this is best for you. Tailor me personally. This is best for you. If you're watching this, if you're this, blah, 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 if you have a gap in your teeth, whatever. And then finally, take control. Don't be afraid to have a call to action at the end and say, okay, if you're interested, click the link in my Instagram bio to set up a free appointment. But social media can sell, especially if you have something a little bit flashy and sexy, like cosmetic dentistry.
Well, I think the one thing, as someone who works in the dental space, Joe Public is not interested in clean, scale and all that.
Cavities is probably not going to be your best social media.
Definitely not.
Although you could make a funny viral video about cavities.
You could. But certainly that cosmetic space. And look, for the Australian dentists that are watching this, because I know the conversation that's in your head at the moment, you're going, but with APRO, which is the government, we can't use testimonials, which is absolutely true for anything that is clinical. But that doesn't stop you from using before and after photos.
And even if you couldn't, you could take a diagram or a animation and show what you're going to do.
Yeah.
So not even on a real actual customer.
Yeah.
Present stuff, teach, tailor, take control, demonstrate what you do. People love to see, and a YouTube channel makes sense for a dentist too. Even if you just have a handful of videos, you don't have to record a video once a month. Record a video on a subject.
Awesome. Hey Ty, thank you so much.
No problem.